Hi Mike. Hi Mike. I'm Alex. This is guys our engineering. This is Andrew. This is Vitaly. You know these guys. But we celebrate to you and to your family, your partners. Celebrate New Year. Happy New Year. We wait for you. Lucky in the future. Many money in the new year, and forever for you and your partner and your family. Sunshine forever. Happy New Chinese Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Good luck! Good luck!
Happy holidays to you, China Dapu Group. Success and prosperity of your company. We wish to preserve and multiply the great tradition of production and rearing of them. Contribute to the development of the industry very effectively, fruitfully and progressively.
Happy New Year, Mr. Polar.
To Jiake and Dapu, all people, Happy New Year. Wish you a very happy and healthy New Year.
Hi guys, this is Serge from Australia. So I would like to wish to Michael and to your whole team, your whole company, to wish you a happy new year. Since I live in the future, we're a little bit earlier, a few hours earlier, so the new year is looking good, and I would like to wish you have more sales, get more profits, grow your business, conquer new markets, win in competition with other companies, and I would just wish you to grow stronger, to make more sales, to grow a number of different machines, and of course to grow a number of different customers, as well as not only customers but distributors as well. So me from Australia and Alex from Moscow, we wish you a happy new year, to you, to your company, to all your families, to stay wealthy, healthy, and just being very successful for the next year. Happy New Year!
过年